Now we're going to try to adjust that carburetor, part 2. We just swapped the batteries, you guys saw in the shorts. It's got a Walmart EverStart Max 3-year warranty battery in it. Should help us out a little bit on this one. So now we got to do the fun thing of getting her tuned in. First step is start the tractor up, get her idling. Then we're going to go back to our screws. So right here. Start at some half turns first. Get her happy. Then try to rev her up. No good. See how it revs up and not in? Shouldn't do that. See? That's not good. That's how you know if your tuning's wrong. Alright, we're alive again. Good. See how she's on and good to go? She's running. Let's try it again. That is much, much happier. See that, guys? Will she die? No, that is actually good. But that stumble ain't good though, guys. So, give her a little bit more. Try again. Not a bad stumble. That is a low, low, low idle, y'all. But she do look happier. I'll tell you that right now. She do look a lot happier. Put it. Give her another little eighth of a turn here. Half turn. That does sound a lot better, see? Now that carb is way better tuned in. That's fuel saver mode. Engaged. No fuel's bellowing out of the assembly here. It's water as well. Water. We good? She is running like a treat now. Because you want to be able to do this. You want no stumbles, if possible. And that's decent tuning. And now I gotta go drive to the gas station, get her fueled up and ready for this year's harvest. Alright, see y'all next time. Keep throwing knuckles, keep throwing wrenches, keep throwing fists, and keep on wrenching. See y'all next time.